Greetings everyone, and I am Abdul Rahim from Lakhani Tech Institute, and today we are learning how to restore a mistakenly deleted item. Like if you have deleted very important document, folder, or like anything, I am going to tell you how to restore it. Now, this is a very simple, easy task. I'm sure you guys will learn it in a few minutes. Now, so there are a lot of ways to do this. Like here in the screen, we have the folder and document. Like we accidentally deleted them. Okay, and now we're like, oh no, what do we do? So there are three ways. The first way is to Control Z, and you'll get both of the documents back. But if it has been some time, you can't get it back, like 2 years or so. So there's also another way. The second way is that we deleted them again and go to the recycle bin. And we just drag and drop back to the windows. See, move to desktop. We just drag and drop. It's that simple. And the third option that we can do is, okay, let's just delete them again. And the third option is that, okay, let's go back to the recycle bin. And here you see this recycle bin tools. We click on this and there's this restore the selected items. So first we select the items that we want and restore them. So here you see they're back on the screen. You can't do Control Z option if it has been like a few days or like time. So if it's like past few little time, like 1 minute or like 5 minutes or so you can Control Z it. But if it's like a month, 2 days and stuff, so you have to choose the other two options because the Control Z will not work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this class. If you guys have any query, comment down below and we'll answer it right away. Bye guys!